Hello and welcome back. My name is Sara and this is Sara's Abstract Expressions. If you're new, please consider subscribing. I show you how I do different fluid art techniques, so make sure you hit the bell so you don't miss anything. Today I'm doing a flip cup with some new colors I got. I know I got the Prussian blue, the Alizarin crimson, the Windsor violet, and the Windsor cadmium yellow medium hue. These are pretty much all new paints, except the Liquitex Basics and the Rheotech. I know the paints themselves, the writing on the bottles are a little small, so all the paints I'm using and how I mix them will be in the description below. I'll be back at the end to chat some more. Well, I guess I should have dragged the cup right instead of left, because I almost dumped all the paint off my canvas. Whoops. I saved it. That's what counts. Covering the colors with the black in the cup made it so I could cover the canvas in white and help the colors pop up from underneath, which I thought was pretty cool. I really love how this came out. And I love the ribbon of color that ended up going through like the center-ish of it. Let me know what you think of this one in the comments below. Like this video if you like this video. Share with your friends to spread the love. And subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you next time. Bye.